Hello, in front of me I've got Logitech Key-to-Go 2. In this video I'll show you how to remap buttons. Firstly, enter Logitech Option Plus app. Now you can remap buttons from F4 to F12. Simply enter it, and now we've got recommended mapping, AI actions, smart actions or other actions. Simply select function you would like to save as this button and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.